Question 24, the cost of a hotel room, $y, based on the rating X, provided by a travel agency is modeled by the linear equation y equals 2.34x plus 6775. Which of the following statements describes the rate of change of this model? So for this particular question, they're asking you to interpret. So this is an interpretation question, and they're asking you to figure out what this part is right here. And the way to deal with an interpretation question is to write out the units. So when they give you something in dollars, they already did it for us. They already said dollars, but if they happen to give you a dollar sign, it's always better to write the word dollars because it's a little easier to see as you're trying to figure out the units for all of the components of the equation. So I'm going to first start off by writing $y, and that is equal to 2.34 over 1, and I'll explain why in a second I put it over 1. And there are some units attached to this. We just don't know what they are yet. So we'll put a question mark for these. And we're told the rating is X. So for that one, we could think of this as being X with a unit of rating. And I'm just going to put rat for short. So X and then rat plus 67.75. Now, since this is a constant, the units of the constant are going to be the same as the units on the left side of the equation. So the whole entire equation, when you're done, should have only units of dollars here, dollars here. So if you have something with dollars added to something with dollars, it should give you a final answer in dollars. So this is going to have a unit of dollars. I'm going to highlight the units just so it's easier to see. So we have dollars there. These are some unknown units for now. We have rat for ratings unit and then dollars here. So like I said, we need to go ahead and try to turn this part here into something that is just units or a unit of dollars. So we need to get rid of this rat unit here. And to do that, we're going to make the unit on the bottom here rat for rate, and the unit on the top, dollars. And the reason I'm doing that is because when I eventually multiply this, if I were to multiply this out, my rat here, my rate units, is going to cancel with the rate units down here, leaving me with units of dollars, like I said before. So we would have 2.34x dollars plus $67.75 equals y dollars. Now, how do we interpret this? This part right here, how do we interpret that? We can look at this as saying, for every one rating, I have $2.34. And since this is positive, you can say for every one rating, I get or increase $2.34. So our answer choice for this is going to be F. Right? For every increase of 1 in the rating, so 1 rating, we get an increase of $2.34. $2.34.